Happy Sunday to you guys out there. I just got done making the bed up. This bed behind me. Because I make it up only on Saturdays and Sundays. So today we got snow. Actually it started last night, this morning. I'm not sure. But when I got up this morning, I looked outside, it was snowing. And I think it's still snowing now. But I heard we're going to be getting, I'm not quite sure how much snow we're going to be getting, but it's a lot out there now. So we're going to be in the house for a couple days. And I know most of you out there are stuck in the house too because of the snowstorm. And I know those kids out there playing in the snow because kids like to play, especially when it snows, because they like snowmen and like to build snowmen and playing and all that other kind of stuff, go sledding. And I think schools are maybe going to be closed tomorrow, I'm not sure, but kids going to be going out there in the snow. So I know they're glad that if school's canceled, they're going to go out and play in the snow. That's what kids do. If you have kids out. If you have kids. So, not too long ago, I just got done peeling apples and dicing them. That's going to be for dinner, like for a side dish. Like it's going to be applesauce. So that's why we had to peel apples and dice them and all that other kind of stuff. We usually cook them on the stove. And I'm not really sure what we having for dinner tonight, but I know one thing, side dish is going to be apples. So I will see what we have for dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoying your Sunday, especially on this snowy day. Wherever you live at, I'm sure you got snow. Please like, comment, subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.